In this video, I'm going to show you how to give room a tag in Revit. Now to do this, first you want to go to architecture up top, and then from here you want to click on this room button. So of course you want to create your room. So I'm just going to click on here, and I'm going to create a sample room over here within these walls. So I'm going to click on here, and then there we go, it's going to create a room. Now to give it a tag here, you can just basically go and press the escape key on your keyboard, and you can of course click on this tag room up top. So just click on tag room over here, and then of course you can just go over here, place it inside your room, and then give it a name. So I'm going to click on over here, and as you can see, boom, we have the room name. Now over here, as you can see, you can basically press the escape button again. You can click on over here, and it's going to allow you to change this. So double click and you can give it whatever. I'm going to name this one sample room, and of course down here you can change these numbers as well if you want to. Okay, so that's how to give your room a tag, and of course you can do this for all the rooms on your project. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.